Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video guys, I'm going to show and explain to you if you can recover permanently deleted emails from your Gmail. I've came across quite a lot of videos on YouTube that's showing you that you can permanently recover deleted emails within Gmail, and I've tested it 1,000 times, and I'm going to show you and explain to you if this is possible, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up my Gmail here guys, and I'm going to find just a bunch of emails and I'm going to delete them permanently so that you can see. So here are two emails that I feel comfortable to delete, and I'm going to simply click on these emails and I'm going to click delete here from the options here. Then I'm going to expand this more option and I'm going to go to trash here. Where's my trash? Here it is. And I'm going to select all of these emails and I'm going to click delete forever, right? Means that it is permanently deleted. Now, how do you go about recovering this? And you need to go ahead and use the steps. So you want to head over to Google and you want to simply search for Gmail messages are missing. Search for that and you will be taken to Google Help, where you can basically go through the steps. So you want to select this option here that says Gmail messages are missing, the one for computer. You want to select that. And from here, you want to ensure that under these options here where you have the Android, the iPad, you want to select the one for computer. Now, once this is selected, you want to scroll all the way to the bottom to where it says most of my emails are missing. You want to click this drop down here and you want to select the option that says we can help you find your missing emails, yada, yada, yada. Click on this. And as you can see, the Gmail message recovery tool is currently running to about 33%. Then you go ahead and click next. You will need to ensure that you are logged into your Gmail first and foremost, right? And you will be able to see that if it detects your email address, right? Now go ahead and click next and it will continue the process and says to you if it was able to recover emails. Now, if it's able to recover emails, that's great. You will be able to see it. However, most of the times you will be greeted with this message that says, unfortunately, your missing emails were permanently deleted and we can't get them back, right? So in order to learn more of how this actually works, go ahead and click this highlighted link here that says learn more about deleted and recovering deleted emails, right? So once you do this, you'll learn how you can delete more than one email, or you can empty your recycle bin, and how you can recover messages from your trash. And then guys, you want to read this information here because this is very important to know. It says you can't recover messages that are permanently deleted or messages that have been in the trash for more than 30 days, right? And basically it is telling you here that if you deleted some emails within the last 30 days, those will be in the trash and you can easily move them out. However, if those emails are over 30 days, then these will be permanently deleted. And if you go to your trash intentionally and do delete forever, those will be deleted permanently as well, and there's no chance to get them back. And guys, I really hope that you get a more understanding of how this works and the possibilities, and not just go ahead and search entire YouTube on all of those videos that says how you can permanently recover your deleted emails within Gmails, and they'll be showing you these steps. And you'll have the hopes believing that it will work and you go from video to video. I hope that this will explain it all so that you can get the good understanding what this tool does and the expectations of it.